Massive quantities of waste heat are generated each day in the United States. If harnessed to produce power, waste heat could generate as much as 10 gigawatts of emission-free electricity, enough to power 10 million homes, provide $3 billion in annual savings for American industry, and spur the creation of 160,000 new American jobs. By providing the same incentives already enjoyed by traditional renewables like wind, solar, and geothermal, the market for waste heat to power would significantly expand. By increasing the number of states that provide incentives for waste heat to power projects, and by securing investment tax credits and production tax credit for waste heat to power projects, the technology can compete on a level field with other forms of emission-free power like traditional renewables. Proper incentives would allow the waste heat to power market to expand and would greatly improve America's energy system. Industrial waste heat is a form of energy that continuously escapes from ongoing industrial processes like oil and gas processing or manufacturing of cement, chemicals, steel, paper, glass, and other products at energy-intensive industries. The waste heat from these manufacturing processes is used to generate electricity without emissions and without combustion. The source of this electric energy is heat, not natural gas or any other fossil fuel. Waste heat to power works by capturing the energy in waste heat with a recovery unit and converting heat and electricity through a process called heat exchange. There are several technologies used in waste heat to power, like steam Rankine cycle, organic Rankine cycle, Kalina cycle, supercritical CO2 cycle, thermoelectrics, the Stirling engine, and other emerging technologies. Through heat exchange, heat can be captured and used to drive a turbine and generator which creates electricity. This electricity can be sold to the power grid or returned to the industrial company to reduce fuel and power purchases, as well as emissions. Through the application of these technologies, industrial waste heat is no longer just a byproduct. It becomes a valuable resource for emission-free electricity. The Heat is Power Association is the trade organization of the waste heat to power industry. The association works with policymakers and stakeholders to promote waste heat to power and level the playing field between waste heat and traditional renewable energy sources. The association also works to incorporate waste heat into state renewable portfolio standards and efficiency programs. Heat is Power members, including project developers, equipment suppliers, installers, technology manufacturers, researchers, and end users, are collaborating to build a robust market for waste heat to power technologies across the United States. The Heat is Power Association needs your help to advance this important resource for our country's future energy supply. Learn more about how you can support the advancement of waste heat to power at our website, heatispower.org. Join our efforts today.